Welcome to Helmsdale Avenue. We're here in Ladybridge to have a look at this extended 3-bedroom detached true bungalow, which is set on a lovely cul-de-sac, so there's very little passing traffic. At the minute it's a little bit snowy and icy, so it's perhaps not the most perfect day for having a look at a property, but let me just show you down the side here before we go inside. We've got double gates here to additional secure car parking, as you can see where the caravan is. And then as I keep walking down the side, you'll see that we've got the single garage, which is served by this driveway, providing even more private off-road car parking. The property has recently been refurbished. It's in wonderful condition. 3 double bedrooms, gorgeous shower room, and a beautiful open plan kitchen, diner, family room, sitting room that looks superb. The gardens extend to the front and to the side. We've got additional parking to the side of the property through the gates, the garage and the driveway, as you've seen. The front door is just at the side. Let's go inside and we'll have a look around. Welcome inside. We've stepped into the entrance vestibule and we've got a quality entrance door with the UPVC windows to the side. We've got double built-in storage space in here, which contains, in fact I will open it up quickly, the Baxi gas combination central heating boiler and loads of storage space. The hallway is superb. It's over 4 meters actually at its maximum point. You can see we've got lovely finish to the ceilings, the inset ceiling spotlighting. Bedroom here, bedroom there. First of all, we're going to have a look at the lounge in the living room, and just look how well this is presented. It's a very generous size living room. We've got the bay style UPVC window to the front with fitted blinds. This is a gorgeous, like a white marble fireplace. Just going a bit closer on that here. Let's have a little look. Absolutely no expense spared there, with a remote control operated electric fire. Neutral decorations. I know this won't come through on the video too well, but this carpet is lovely and soft, really thick. This is a beautiful reception room. It really is absolutely gorgeous. Whilst we're at this end of the property, we'll have a look at the 2 bedrooms, which both enjoy the front aspect. Now, they could be used, either one I suppose could be used for the master. I think I've called this one bedroom number 1 on the particulars, but have a look at them both and see what you think. UPVC window, fitted blinds, radiator, feature wallpaper, space for the sofa as well in here. And we've got the fitted furniture, which is, to give you an idea, as I step back this way, it's like a triple wardrobe with built-in drawers as well, so there's loads and loads of storage space in there. This is a lovely bedroom. As we go back onto the hallway, we'll take a look into here, and again this one could be used as the main bedroom, of course. Very well presented. We've got professionally fitted furniture all the way along this wall, matching bedside units as well. UPVC window with fitted blinds, enjoying the front aspect. And dressing room, excuse me, dressing table with 7 drawers, the glass top, and this stylish spotlighting over the top of the dressing area. Again, we've got the thick carpeting, feature wallpaper to one wall. Very classy, very stylishly presented. The whole property is UPVC double glazed. There is a security alarm system in place. In the hallway here, as I tilt the camera up, you'll see this is where the drop-down ladder comes down to give access to the loft storage space. just through this door here on the left, there's some built-in storage space. And before we look at bedroom number 3, I'm just going to show you this shower room. Again, it's absolutely gorgeous, ready to move straight into 3-piece suite. We've got a generous corner shower enclosure, dual flush WC, wash hand basin with built under storage space and mirrored storage space above with additional spotlighting. We've got integrated spotlightings to the ceiling, radiator, UPVC window with fitted blinds, and there's an extractor as well in there. Absolutely gorgeous shower room. And as we move to the rear of the property, we're now looking in probably bedroom number 3, but again, they're all double bedrooms. Very, very generous size. We've got a television on the wall behind us, lovely thick carpeting, nice big UPVC window and radiator. And as we just have a peek in this corner, I'm going to open this up and you can see we've got walk-in storage space and there's a UPVC window in there as well. At one point in the property's history, there was an ensuite shower room which took up that storage space that we've just looked at and the other bit off the hallway as well. But this is a generous size room, again the third of the double bedrooms that we've seen, and we'll next have a look at the open plan kitchen, diner, family room. The open plan kitchen, diner, family, sitting room was professionally installed in 2022. As you can see, the kitchen area opens up into this dining space. I love this flooring in here. The whole room is flooded with natural light. We've got the patio doors which open out onto the rear garden with tall UPVC windows to either side. Additionally, we've got 2 UPVC windows to the side of the property, and I absolutely love this central island. This extends into a breakfast bar, and you can just see the quality of the workmanship in here. The kitchen's been individually designed, professionally installed. We've got integrated Neff oven grill. We've got the Franke scratch resistant sink, and we've got the Bosch hob, induction hob with extractor over. Lovely ceramic wall tiling, plumbing for the washing machine. Absolutely gorgeous space. You can well imagine this being the hub of the home. Absolutely perfect for entertaining, for dinner parties, for children to be doing the homework, or perhaps relaxing whilst there's work going on in the kitchen as well. This really is superb space. I absolutely love it. Let's go outside and we'll have a look at the rear garden. So we've stepped outside from the kitchen diner and we're having a look at the rear and I suppose the side garden as well. And no, with this snow down, it isn't the best for looking at it, but we've got mosaic flagging in here which gives a lovely circular design to the patio space. We've got an astroturf lawn area over here with the well, as you can see, it's ideal for al fresco dining. The dining table and chairs are just covered up at the moment. As we look, this is the other side of where we were at the beginning of the video, so you can see we've got the secure gated parking, so the caravan's just there. So perhaps if you've got a caravan or a boat, or again just for other vehicle parking, that's absolutely ideal. In addition to the garage and the driveway, of course. The garden is absolutely beautiful in the summer. Appreciate today's not the best day for looking at it. I'll try and include perhaps 1 or 2 photos from the summer so that you can see what it's like in bloom. Beautiful, beautiful property. There is a pedestrian door, so if you was going into the garage, you can walk through there. There's outside sockets. You might have seen that there's outside sockets to the front as well. Roof's in great condition. You can see the soffits and the fascia boards there. fully enclosed, relatively easy maintenance garden. Beautiful, beautiful property in a wonderful location. Any questions, any queries, please give us a call. It's Cardwell's Estate Agents, Bolton, 01204 381 281. 381 281. Thanks so much.